Imagine having an indicator that not only show you the trend but also reveal a profitable trading strategy that even beginners can use it to trade and make money. So let's dive into this and open up a gold chart. We'll select the 15-minute time frame. So head over to the indicator section. We'll click to add our first indicator to the chart, an oscillator. In the pop-up window, type TMMS oscillator and find the indicator in the results. The TMMS oscillator, or Trading Made More Simpler, is a fantastic tool that consists of conditions based on two separate stochastic indicators and one RSI. The bullish zone is highlighted in green, while the bearish zone is in red. When the histogram is gray, no signals are available at that time. This handy indicator also has an option to display the current trend of a whole moving average, either as an ascending or descending curve. When the trend is up, you'll see green dots plotted on the zero line. And when it's down, the dots will be colored red. But before we start using the indicator to enter trades, we need to make some adjustments. So in the style section of the settings window, change the hole colors to yellow and red. Next, let's modify the histo up to yellow and turn it into columns. Repeat the same process for histo down, but change it to red. Finally, disable the histo no option, and now we're good to go with our settings. However, relying solely on one indicator signals isn't a wise decision. So, I'd like to introduce you to one of my favorable indicators on TradingView. I've created super profitable strategies with this gem. It's called HLOTT, or High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. So let's head back to the indicator section. And search for it and add it to the chart. The HLOTT indicator consists of two lines. HOTT derived from the highest price values and LOTT derived from the lowest price values. These lines were initially based on the default OTT's close values, and the area between HOTT and LOTT is called the flat zone, where the developer advises traders to do nothing. Bars will be highlighted in turquoise when candles close above the HOTT line, indicating an uptrend signal. Conversely, they'll turn fuchsia when candles began closing below the LOTT line, signaling a downtrend signal. The flat zone is also highlighted to emphasize sideways market conditions. To fully harness the power of the HLOTT indicator, we'll need to make a few modifications. In the settings window, under the input section, please change the OTT period to 7. Next, adjust the OTT optimization to 1. Then set the highest and lowest length options to 21. To ensure the best performance, make sure the highlighter is turned on and the moving average type is set to VAR. Lastly, let's optimize the style settings to make the indicator more visually appealing and easy to understand on the chart by tweaking the colors and visibility. Now let's dive into the most crucial aspect of this strategy: when and where to enter buy and sell trades to maximize profits. Refer to the TMMS oscillator and draw a horizontal line on it. Head over to the line settings and coordinate tab, then change the line value to 9. Proceed to draw another horizontal line, this time alternating its value to -9. These lines will serve as trigger lines. When a yellow bar superpasses the +9 line, this indicates a buy signal. However, should we trade based solely on this information? The answer is no. Check the HLOTT indicator and the signal candle. If the signal candle's close price is above the indicator's upper line, the buy signal is confirmed, suggesting an uptrend in the market. At this point, you can confidently open a buy position. To set your stop loss, place it slightly below the HLOTT indicator's lower or upper line. For the target, employ a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's briefly discuss the sell trade rules. The process is quite similar to buy trades, but in reverse. Look for an instance when the bar drops below the -9 line on the TMMS oscillator, signifying a potential sell signal. Confirm the signal by checking the HLOTT indicator and the signal candle. If the signal candle's close price falls under the indicator's lower line, it validates the sell signal, implying a downtrend in the market. You can now open a sell position, adjusting your stop loss slightly above the HLOTT indicator's lower or upper line and maintaining the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio for setting your target. But before you move on, let's take a moment to explore the backtesting results. We conducted the backtest spanning 12 weeks on the gold 15-minute time frame, executing 100 trades using this strategy. The outcomes were truly impressive. We achieved an outstanding win rate of 81%, which is remarkably high and quite encouraging. The accumulated profit during this period soared to an incredible 175%. Alongside these impressive figures, we obtained 6.39 profit factor. Simply put, the profit factor indicates the ratio of gross profit to gross loss. A higher number signifies greater profitability, making this a fantastic result. Throughout the trades, we experienced 8 consecutive wins against only 2 consecutive losses. These results demonstrate the strategy's consistency and effectiveness in identifying profitable trades. Additionally, in terms of risk management, the drawdown was a mere 1.99%. This low drawdown highlights the strategy's potential to generate substantial profits while keeping risk within acceptable limits. By examining these backtesting results, we gain valuable insights into the strategy's strengths and its ability to deliver consistent profits. As you explore the world of trading, remember to employ backtesting and analyze various indicators to craft your personalized, effective trading strategies. Happy trading, and we wish you great success on your journey.